Hello, if you're watching this video, then you clearly need help with the mission of Bose Adams. Whether you're glitched and think you don't know what you're doing, or you need some actual help for it. I'm going to do a guide on how to complete it. First things first, you need to get there. For Bose Adams, it's located on the... I can say mountain and not hill. Over here. Oh, dang it. No. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. Keep in mind, if you glide, you're not discovering areas. Where does it count? I think a helicopter does so. Or maybe it was a plane, but... Now come on. He's in this little cave here. I might remember it. Yeah, I think I remember some of it.
Just lit by moving candles and lamps. Hello there.
Hey. So you're on your coffee break, man? You got quite a place here. Some native stuff. We're dream catchers. Probably won't want to look back in there for a while.
Kinda far from home, aren't you? I can tell just from looking at you that you're no Peggy. If you were, we'd be having different words. Glad you joined the right side. Call me Bo. I've been living off this land for as long as I can remember. I've seen a lot over the years. Crime, corruption, madness. But nothing like Eden's Gate. It hasn't changed my ways, though. Just another thing to survive against. Ain't nothing more powerful than Mother Nature. But you don't beat her. You work with her. Now, in times like these, it ain't smart relying on man-made junk to save your ass. I can see the skepticism in your eyes. Tell you what, give me some eagle feathers and big old leviathan bones, and I'll prove it to you.
Alright, let's go. Nature provides. And it looks like I'm gonna have to do something there. I think I do want to, but I got to. Alright, come on. Woohoo! Alright, come on. Woohoo! Hello. Well, come on, we gotta climb that. Alright, almost there, come on. So, why the hell is there a wolf everywhere? No, we're in the countryside, I don't even know why I said that. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, people. Run over there. I'm gonna have to go through here. Bro. Oh, here's Tulip. It's easy now, let's go. Oh, this is that Arctic lake. Oh, I know what we're looking for. Alright, let me show you. Specifically what we're looking for. It's that demon fish. Here you go. This demon fish does appear in Far Cry 4. Alright, we got some bones down here. Bona Levita and Elevation. Hey, buddy. Oh, they can attack you in the water. Why is he swimming in the Snowshore Lake? And where did my plane go? No. No. Where is he? Oh, that's a lot of Oh. Oh, another bear? Is this where they're hiding out since John died? Are they regrouping up here? What are they doing up here? There's so many... Do they just kill everybody? Everyone's burned down. There's too much to handle here. I'm out of here. Come on, MP40. This is my lovely MP40. My revolver with a sexy scope on it. My favorite, my lever action rifle. Trying to find my way up there. Hey, medkit. I have been attacked by 3 bears in the same area. I really shouldn't have destroyed the tulip. I'm gonna have to face it myself. She's still trying to make her way up here though. That's what's funny. 4 bullets at a time, man. Come on. We got animals everywhere. Eagle feathers. Oh, that's interesting. He dried with a stick in his hand. My Boy Scouts, the only people who got hiking sticks were people that passed everything. Where are you gonna go?
Christ Almighty, help!
What are you doing up here? It's a lot of cougar skins I get. Can I get more things to carry? So I can carry more. I'm gonna go get that bear skin and then I can sell it and buy the rest of the everything else in the game. People, this is a game. It's just a game, people. These are age restricted, so I can't get banned for almost anything.
We certainly put a crimp in their plans.
How'd you get a plane again? I saw you exit the plane. You flew down, exited the plane when we needed it, and I crashed it and it blew up. No, I need to play right now. curious on what happened over there. Oh, that's that cougar thing. Cougars, 3 cougars and a bear up here. That's weird. I like how they have like grass growing up here too. Come on, come on. Here we go. Alright, almost. Come on. After you beat the game, remember that there's a secret quest that you can only unlock by going to. You know the sign that says yes? You can blow it up at the end of the game after you beat Joseph Seed and everyone. But the only way to trigger it is by going up to it with a helicopter. Ooh. I think Raptor Peak's taller, like a bit taller though. Can I see Raptor Peak from here though? They got eagles on Raptor Peak. Raptor Peak is that right there. It's not taller. I did not try to do that. Is there a way to fast travel up here though? Oh, come on. Oh, it's just a light. I thought that was something. Alright, here we go. Here we go. It's just completely dark down here from that mountain. Is this where that tunnel is? No, it's not. Still got prisoners if I knocked all the places out. And what do we got here? I don't think I came here yet. Alright, this looks exactly like an outpost, but it isn't. This would make a good outpost, just saying. Apparently we got a Vietnam lighter here.
Wow. Last couple of Bliss convoys didn't make it to their destination. I'm betting it's Eli and his fucking white tails. Tell you what, set up a checkpoint at the tunnel and let's see how many sinners we can catch. Any that don't talk, well, we'll see how well they can fly.
Alright, alright. Well, I am here. I've been here. Wolf Beacon. Wolf Beacon. How many of those did I need of the Vietnam lighters? Oh well. Guess that won't hurt to take that. Alright. Where's she at anyways? Wait, what happened to her? What happened though? Alright, I need him to bring me a
Dude,
vehicle.
Herc is on his way.
Bring it.
Hey, dude, I'm ready to kick some ass.
Alright, you ready? You're gonna sabotage your own vehicle. Get on now, boy. We ain't going on a real redneck journey. Last second. Woo! You're welcome. I'll pick that up if I were you.
Get away!
Damn it. Oh no, look at this.
Oh man, I got a hit in the jump again.
Well, let's go, Hurt. Oh, what the hell?
I got to get over there.
I do too, but you ain't getting over here. You ain't gonna get over here. You ain't getting over here. Let's just say it like that. Yeah, it's just, I don't know.
Coming in from on high.
Here we go. Wait, nah.
I see another bad guy.
I do too, he's right above us. I'm gonna have to make a risk here. Is that potatoes I see? Let me get up here for a second. I cut my vehicle. Oh, snap.
Gonna take a run at him. He's on the move. They're down below. Payload release.
Where the hell are they?
Get ready for it.
Please, I can use a little help here.
Come on, come on. Oh, snap. Everything's weird.
Hit from above.
Damn. All because I wanted to grab some potatoes. Yeah.
Gonna trace these sinners. I can't stay put here, amigo.
Whew. I gotta get the hell out of here before something happens.
Reports lost visual. Right down there.
Oh wait, is that an albino caribou? Snap. Wait, I think it's a normal caribou.
Down there.
It's a normal caribou. Haha, Suka.
I saw him first.
Ah. Time to commit arson and start an illegal forest fire. Unfortunately, it's what we gotta do. Now run through the forest.
Gonna take a run at him.
It's spreading.
The sinners. Over there.
Spreading like hell. Uh-oh, it's gonna burn down all the trees. Yep, it's burning down the whole forest.
Down below!
I like how in the game you can actually burn down the forest. You know, like travel up the trees and stuff.
Watch me get my money. I got nothing
Yeah.
up here. Except the damn thing that's escaping.
Oh, come on. There it is. I see it. It's up right there.
Gonna strike these sinners. They're rabbited. Can't see them.
Here we go. Right. Wow, this is weird. Here we go, finally.
Coming in from on high.
Well, looks like I need a ride of help.
When you ask for Nick Ryan, you fucking get Nick Ryan.
Get him.
Singing and sagging, baby.
You can get him too.
Hercules!
Get him. Use your rat forward. Got him. Here we go.
Glad you made it back. Good work getting these. I respect folks who can handle themselves in nature. Here, this'll serve you well. Someday, man's creations will all disappear, but Mother Nature will remain. She's a great teacher. Listen to her. Learn from her.
Got it.
And you will persevere.
Ooh. Nature provides. Now we're gonna talk to that person again. Next. We'll do that later. Yeah, this was a. Well, there's 3 glacier lakes, and they're all 3 of them are based off the real 3 glacier lakes. Not the ones like the ones in U.S. Wonder how that happened.